we really going on an adventure?
Only if you brought snacks.
I've got cookies and courage. That's the best combo ever.
So, where are we going, Captain Chipmunk?
To the land of lost marshmallows.
This entire video you just watched now was made with Canva. Let me show you how it was created. First, I went to ChatGPT to get my prompt. And I said, act as a Google VEO AI expert and write me a prompt that includes voice and sound, a conversational prompt between a little African American beautiful girl and a chipmunk. So we went back and forth with the prompts. He gave me one that is too long, and we came back and we shortened the prompt. I'm going to copy this entire prompt now he just gave me, and we'll go back to Canva. So here on Canva, to find where to create this video from, I came over to here where it says Canva AI, or you could use Canva AI on the side panel of your screen. So I'm going to click on Canva AI. And if you look here, you're going to see options of things you can do with Canva AI. And over the last part here, it says create a video clip. Just a thing to note, it is not free. You have to have the Canva Pro to be able to create. To get 30 days free trial with Canva, use the link in the description of this video and sign up with. This is the part of Canva AI we are going to focus on. So I'm going to click on create a video. And when you click on create a video, you're going to see these options here. You're going to see for you to select the style you're going for. But if that has been described by your AI, you can let it be. So I'm going to go for the cartoon style. And you're going to, if you click on aspect ratio, you will see that the 9:16 aspect ratio is not yet ready. It's coming soon. We only have one aspect ratio, so I'm not going to bother checking it. If you come over to duration, you can only create 8 seconds video as it stands now. Longer duration are coming soon, so keep an eye for that. If you come to framing, you can decide to say what kind of framing you want, whether it's wide shots, medium shots, close-up shots, over the shoulder shots, point of view shot, and top-down shots. If you come over to lighting, you have all this lighting style you can use, but I'm just going to leave it at this part and this part. And I'm going to paste in my prompts here. I will leave these prompts in the description just in case you need it. I'm going to hit on enter. So our video is ready. Remember, I chose a cartoon style. If you look at, I chose a cartoon style. This is why it looks like this. So if you want to preview your video, just click on it. It opens it up here and you can play the video.
Are we really going on an adventure?
Only if you brought snacks.
How cool is that? This is so perfect. Like, this is so beautiful. I love this. You can download your video here. And it downloads into your PC if you're using a different editor to edit your video. But if you're using Canva editor to edit your video, you can continue with Canva editor here. You can continue prompting it down here and following up with the story. And if I close this out and go back here, to get ideas of how to write perfect prompts, you can just scroll down here. There are a bunch of videos Canva has created. This is a promo video for a product demo. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.